Hello my wonderful people, this is Simple Tech. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a generator using a synchronous motor, but I rewind it. So we are going to use it and a transformer to generate 220 volt AC. So guys, let's go and see how this thing is working. This is the output of the transformer. This is a step-up transformer, and this is synchronous motor. It was rewinded, and this is DC motor guys, and we are using 12 volt power supply. So, and this is AC adapter. This is the input for the AC adapter. Then I will connect it to the output. So guys, let's test it and see how So guys, I want to use this aluminum to hold this motor very well so that it will not be shaking. So I will put it and this is our bulb guys, and the transformer to step up, synchronous motor and DC motor guys. So let's test it. So guys, let's test it with this AC adapter. This is for the AC input, and this is for the DC output, 12 volt output.